I will wait until you on your camera. Good, Gokul. Srivarshini, Shweta Shinde, Mrityunjay, Sai Rakshana, Avanish, Vidyut, Charan, everyone please switch on your camera. Okay, okay, Charan Ram. Others? Mrityunjay, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Please switch on your camera. Camera is not working. Sai Rakshana. சிவரஞ்சனி கேக்குதா? நிகாஸ், Devesh, Yash, Aditya Raj, please switch on your camera. Check your internet, Sugindran. Nothing can be done. It's your internet issue. Okay. The curve is such that joining any 2 points on the line, on it lies on the same curve is called straight line. See, if I am having 2 points, okay, if I am having a 2 points and it connects by like this, okay, without any deviation, as Sugindran told, then we can call this as what? Straight line. Okay. Whether straight lines has the start point and end point? Whether straight line has start points and end points?
No, sir.
No, it doesn't have start point and end point, right? Okay, which has start points and end points?
Line segment.
Yeah, it's a segment. If I cut this line into small piece, then we're going to call it as what? Line segment. Okay. So now, up to now, you know that linear equation with 2 variable will give you a line, correct? If I write x plus y equal to 10, and if I mark the points which is satisfying this equation, and definitely that will be a what? Line, correct? X plus y equal to 10, and what are the points it satisfies? 0, 10, right? 1, 9, 2, 8. So this kind we will have infinite point. The point which with the line which connects all this point, we are going to call it as a line with the name x plus y equal to 10. Okay, up to now you know this. Now the line attributes will be given to you. From that you are going to write the equation of line. The line attributes will be given to you. From that you are going to write what? Equation of line. Okay. So we are going to do that. Okay. So straight lines. If I put AB, then it means that it is the distance between A and B. Okay. If I put AB anywhere in the class straight line, then it means distance between A and B. And if I put AB bar, that is line, we are going to mentioning about a line segment joining A and B. Okay. So what is the difference? We are representing the line, we are representing the distance. Inga enna solrom? We are saying the line itself. Here we are saying the distance of the line. Okay. And if I put the arrow mark, then it becomes what? If I put the arrow mark, it becomes ray. If I put the arrow mark, then it becomes what? Ray. AB arrow mark will become what? Ray. AB double sided will be, it's a straight line through A and B. It's not A and B is on the straight line. Here in ray we have a initial point, but there is no end point, right? So there will be an initial point, but there is no end point, it keep on goes. And B will be on the way to that end point. Okay, when I put double arrow, it means that A and B are the points on the ray. So on this line segment, so both the side it will go to what? Infinite. Yes, Sogendran.
Straight line passing through அந்த மாதிரியா சார்?
ஆமா. இப்போ நான் AB போட்டு ரெண்டு arrow போட்டுருக்கேன்னா AB is the point which is there in the lines. Okay. If I put AB ray, then A is the initial point. B is somewhere in the middle. Okay. If I put AB just line, it means that A and B are line segment. That is, it has start point and end point as A and B. It has start point and end point as at A and B. But if I just put A and B, then it means I am representing the distance of them. Okay, it's just the distance of them. Okay. Now first thing what we are going to know is what is the slope of the line. Okay. So if I say a line, definitely there is going to be some angle which is going to be made with x-axis. If I say a line, that line will make an angle theta with what? X-axis. That angle we are going to call it as theta. That angle we are going to call it as what? Theta. Okay. So listen properly guys, how much it is sloped to the x-axis we are going to call it as theta. So that is the slope of the line. So see, and that theta cannot go beyond pi. Why? Because if it becomes pi, then it becomes equal to what? Or parallel to or coinciding with what? X-axis. Okay. And always slope will be denoted as m. Why slope will be denoted as m? Since its slope is denoted as m, we will call it as m is equal to tan theta. Why this tan theta comes only now I am going to speak. Okay. So before that, okay. See here, what I am going to do, this is the line and I know this is the theta, and this is what is the slope is, how much it is slanted to the x-axis, right? Now I have a point here, I have a point here. This point I am going to call it as, see, I am going to call this point as x1, y1, and this point as x2, y2, and automatically what will be this point, guys? So this is the straight line, right? This is the straight line. So this point, which value will not change? X value or y value? X value will not change, right? All the horizontal line, the x value will not change. So this is x2. So what will be the x value of this point? x2. Guys, are you getting why it is x2? If anybody have why, anybody is not knowing why it is x2, please ask me. Yeah, Aditya, are you okay? You got the thumbs up. Okay. So people who understood, please give the thumbs up. So I will go to the next thing. Okay, very good. See, now this is x2, and what will be the point which is meeting here? So the point of y value will be same for this one also, right? So we will put this one as y1. Anybody having objection for this? Anybody is having any objection for this? Because this point we are going to call it as x2, and this point we are going to call it as y1. Anybody is having any objection? Okay, so this is x2 and this is y1. Guys, can you say what is the distance between these two? This is x2, y2, this is x2, y1. So the distance between these two will be what? y2 minus y1. Are you clear, guys? Okay, the distance between this and this point to this point is x1, y1, this point is x2, y2. So the distance between them will be x2, y2, right? x2 minus x1, right? So now you see carefully, guys. I will mark it like this. This is A and this is B and this is C. ABC. ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. So what I want is how much slanted, right? Okay. So that's why they want to know the difference between, that is ratio between my opposite and adjacent. Here my BA is what? Adjacent. What is my AC is what? Opposite. I want the ratio of these two so that I can able to find how slope my line is. Are you clear, guys? Hello? Sir. So that's why, since it is a ratio of my opposite and adjacent, what is the opposite by adjacent, guys? Which ratio of trigonometry shows opposite by adjacent? Yeah, tan theta. That's why it came m is equal to tan theta. Now, if this one can be done if the theta is known. If suppose I doesn't know the theta, then what I will do? What I will do is I know the points. Then what is opposite, guys? Opposite is y2 minus y1. So y2 minus y1. What is adjacent, guys? x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. So this will be the 2-point formula. This will be the 2-point formula for the slope. So m can be written in two ways. M is equal to tan theta. If the theta is given, m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 if points are given. If points are given. Guys, are you clear in this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall I go to the next one?
Sir.
Yes. Okay, good. So next, straight lines. So they are going to give some example. So they are saying like if the inclination of the line is 60 degree, then the slope is root 3, right? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
If the slope of the line is 1, if the slope of the line is 1, then what of tan will give you 1? 45 degree, right? So the inclination will be 45 degree. Okay, if the slope is 1, it means that if the slope is 1, it means this one made into what? 45 degree. That's why the slope is what? 1. Okay. The slope of the x-axis is what? What is x-axis? X-axis is like this, right? So x-axis is how much inclined towards x-axis? 0, right? For x-axis ke evlo saanjirukum? It will be 0. So the slope of the x-axis is 0. What is slope of horizontal line? What is the meaning of horizontal line? Anything which is parallel to x-axis. Anything which is parallel to x-axis, that line has the slope of 0. Are you getting, guys? Yes? Okay. Next is, what is slope of y-axis? Is not defined. Why not defined, guys? Because it is 90 degree towards x-axis. Correct? X-axis, y-axis is what? Exactly 90 degree, right? So this is 90 degree. So what is 90 degree, guys? Tan 90. What is tan 90? Not defined. That's why the slope of y-axis is always not defined. And any vertical line, it's not only y-axis, any vertical line on any place, how much slope it has? 90 degree. So how much, what is theta it has? 90 degree. So definitely tan 90 is not defined. Okay. Okay. So this one I taught you, right? Okay. If the slope of the line passing through 2 points, they have given 2, 3 and minus 3, 4. Can you able to find the slope, right? M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Guys, I want to have interaction. Please switch on your camera. Please switch on your mic and you can speak to me. For this only we have this setup. Illana na record panni video amchillame. Why to have this kind of setup is you can speak to me. Whether you can able to understand this or not.
Yes, sir. Doctor.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, please switch on your camera so that I will have confidence that you are listening. Okay? Okay, guys, next is, if the slope of 2 are equal, then we are going to call that lines are what? Parallel. Okay, so guys, very simple. Why it has to be equal? See, now I am having axis. Okay, I have drawn a line and I also drawn one more line. These two lines is making a same theta to x-axis. Okay, these two lines are making a same theta, that is same angle to the x-axis. Then the slope of this both line will be same. Then the slope of this both line will be same. So slope of this one I will take it as m1 and this one I will take it as m2. If m1 and m2 are same, then automatically we can say that as what? The lines are parallel. Okay, I hope you are getting this. Okay, if m1 and m2 is equal to -1, then we are going to call this line, these lines are what? Perpendicular. Okay, if m1 and m2 is equal to -1, then we are going to call that as what? Perpendicular. Okay, so why that happens, guys? See, now I am having an axis. Okay, there is a line which made an angle theta. Okay, which made an angle theta, and I want something which is perpendicular to this line. Okay, I will make like this. and this what it made is 90 degree to this line, right? This made 90 degree to the line. So now automatically what happened is, I'll show you. Okay, they went to the examples. Yes. See guys, if I'm having an angle like this, we call it this as theta, and I'm going to have perpendicular to this line which is going to be like this, okay. So I know that this is going to be 90 for sure because I am only taken it like that, okay. Now this is theta guys, and what this will be guys? Pi minus theta. You know, why pi minus 180 minus theta is pi minus theta, whatever, okay, or tan 180 minus theta. What is tan 180 minus theta? In second quadrant, tan will be what? Minus. The slope will be same, but it will be negative. So tan pi minus theta is equal to minus of tan theta. So we can call this as what? That's why it is called perpendicular will have what? M1 and M2 will be what? M1 and M2 is equal to minus 1 for perpendicular lines. Are you getting this line? Are you getting this? M1 equal to M2 is called as what? For parallel lines. M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1 is for what? Perpendicular lines. Okay. Okay. So this is angle between two lines. Okay. So this one remembers what, this formula remembers you what? It's just a tan theta formula, right? Tan 2 theta formula. So M1 minus M2 divided by 1 plus M1 M2 will be what? Angle between two lines. Okay, what this mean? If I have two lines like this, okay, something like this, and this line add an angle of theta, this line I have an angle of something theta 1 and theta 2. So this will have M1 and this will have M2. Okay, I am going to take two lines and slope of the lines is going to be taken as M1 and M2. The slope of the line is going to be taken as what? M1 and M2. If I have M1 and M2 and what will be the angle between this? Can be able to find using what? Tan theta equal to M1, okay, tan theta equal to M1 minus M2 divided by 1 plus M1 M2. Okay, don't forget, note this formula. Solida. See, I have done the different derivation of that, right? Derivation theriyumna, then what is? Dey, உனக்கு derivation ஞாபகம் இருக்கா இல்லையா? அப்போ அவ்வளவுதான், உனக்கு ஆன்சர் தெரியும். Okay, if we require to find one angle between two lines, Mr. Sugindran, this question is for you. உனக்கு derivation தெரியும்ல? If we require to find one angle between the two lines, then what has to be done? Then we find the acute angle between the lines. It will be always acute angle, right? ரெண்டு angle இருக்கு. ரெண்டு angle, what it will be intersect will be like, definitely it will be less than what? 90 degree, right? It cannot be cut in after 90 degree. Okay. So find one angle between 1 minute guys. Yo, power which? One class only it can be taken. No. Try students are saying it. கேட்கல. Okay guys, hopefully you are hearing now, right? I think because of mic problem. Okay. So now we came to write the equation of line. So we started that. Okay, first thing, the equation of line. What we want to know is equation of axis we want to know. What is the equation of axis? See, equation of axis, if you are going to write equation of x-axis, this is going to be y equal to 0. Okay, equation of y-axis is going to be what? X is equal to 0. Are you getting guys? First thing you want to understand, okay, what is the equation of an axis? Equation of x-axis is what? Y equal to 0. Equation of y-axis is what? X is equal to 0. Any line which is parallel to x-axis. Any line which is parallel to x-axis. Let me take this is as 5. Let me take x this is as 5. So we can write this equation as what? Y equal to 5. Okay, anything which is parallel to x-axis. Okay, then the equation of that line will become y equal to that number itself. Okay, so we can just say like y equal to y1 if any line which is horizontal. Okay, so equation of x-axis. What happen if it is equation is line is parallel to y-axis? Any line which is parallel to y-axis, we are going to call it as what? X is equal to? Yeah, x is equal to x1. Any point we call this as what? X1. So we are going to call it x is equal to x1. So first thing, the equation of line, first thing what you want to know is what is the equation of axis and what is equation of which is line which is parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. Clear in this guys? Guys clear? Okay. So Ivan, I have a question for you.
Yes, sir.
I have a question for you, Ivan. So the line which passes through 5, 3 and which is parallel to x-axis. Find the equation of the line. Shall I repeat the question? The line is parallel to x-axis and passes through the point 5, 3. Anybody is ready to answer? Just think, Ivan, 5, 3 is the point on the line, right? And which is parallel to what? X-axis. So parallel to x-axis. So it should be somewhere here, right? So if this is like this, I am going to write y is equal to what point it touched on the y. I told 5 comma 3. So y equal to 3 is the point.
Y is equal to 3.
Y equal to 3. Are you getting? Ivan. Joel, are you ready for the next question? Joel,
Yes, sir.
are you ready for the next question?
Yes, sir.
The line which is parallel to y-axis and passes through the point -1 comma -1.
-1, comma 1.
-1 comma -1. Parallel to what? Y-axis, right? So parallel to y-axis means this line is like this. So I can write x is equal to, what is the value? So x is equal to -1. X is equal to -1, not just -1, x is equal to -1, or we can write like x plus 1 equal to 0. X plus 1 equal to 0. Are you clear in this, guys? This is very important one more question. They will give you a point and they will say it is parallel to, or this is parallel to x-axis or parallel to y-axis. You can able to write the equation of that line. Is that clear? Everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please, if you understood, please give me the thumbs up so that I can go confidently to the next topic.
Yes, sir.
Wow, Mr. Sai Rakshana. Sorry, Miss. Sai Rakshana, are you hearing?
Sir,
என்னடா?
எப்படி சார் thumbs up கொடுக்குறது?
ஐயோ. Okay. Okay, guys. So, okay, somebody is in wait room. Yeah. So next is example 2. They are given that, as I told, the same question is coming. The equation of line. The equation of the line parallel to x-axis and passing through the point -3 comma 4. So since it is parallel to what? X-axis. X-axis ku enna irukkinga? X-axis na enna irukum? Y equal to, and I want to write y. Y value. What is y value? 4. Okay. I hope you got it right. Okay. The same thing, parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means, as I told, x is equal to -3 and I can take x plus 3 equal to 0 as it is, right? Okay. Some more people are in wait room. Okay. So slope point form. Next what we are going to write is, if I know the slope of your line and if I know point of your line, then I can able to write a equation of a line. So up to now what we see, if I know which is parallel to and if I know one passing point, I can able to write, right? That is equation, a line which is parallel to x-axis or y-axis. I can able to write the equation which is parallel to x-axis or y-axis. Now what I am going to do is, if I know a point and if I know a slope, I can able to write a equation of a line. Okay. So let me take the slope as m and the point as a1 x1 y1. So the slope of the equation is going to be y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay. So using this one formula we can derive everything else. So keep remembering this formula. This is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where m is what? Slope. x1 y1 is what? Point. So if I know one point and one slope, I can able to give the equation of a line. Is that okay, guys? Okay. Shall I say some questions? Can you able to do it? Yeah, Aditya, for you this question is 1 comma 2 is the point and slope is 1 by 2. Can you say the answer? 1 comma 2 is the point and slope is 1 by 2. What is the equation of line? See, whenever I ask the equation of line, please write it in the format of x plus y equal to something. Ax plus by equal to something.
Sir, slope is 1, comma 2 and
1 by 2 da.
sorry.
1
by 2.
Yeah, slope is 1 by 2 and point is 1 comma 2. So take this as x1 y1 and take this as m, substitute and get the answer. Come on guys, fast. Advait, why are you late? Okay, be ready for online class. Some suddenly rain or something, we should be ready for always. Okay. On your camera.
laptop camera problem.
Okay.
X minus 2y plus 3, sir.
X minus 2y plus 3 plus
3.
equal to 0. Yeah, Aditya Raj, have you got the same answer?
So, 1 second.
Yeah, please take.
Sorry.
No issues, no issues. Make it fast.
So, it's x minus.
So anybody having any different answer? If anybody is having any different answer, you can able to say. Mano, Mr. Manoranjan, have you got the same answer?
Plus 3 equal to 0, sir.
Okay. Okay. So I hope everybody got the answer. So slope point form, that is one slope and one point is given. I can able to write the equation of line very properly. That's what we have done here. Okay. So next what we are going to say is, yeah, I have given one question, so no need of doing this. Now next form is, yes, guys, if the origin of the line is given, okay, see, this is a graph and my line goes through origin. My line goes through origin and I am going to take this as m, slope as m. So, since it passes through origin, it passes through 0, 0. Yes or no? Now just think like one slope and one point is given where the point is 0, 0. One slope and one point is given where the slope is m and point is what? 0, 0. So it will become like y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 is the formula for what? One slope and one point is given. I know that point is through origin, so it is x1 and y1 is going to be 0 and slope is going to be m. So this will become 0 and this will become 0. So this will just become y equal to mx. Y equal to mx. Okay, now this question can be answered by, who can answer? Shweta. Shweta? Shweta Shinde, no. I want Shweta Karthikeyan.
Okay, sir.
I think she is sleeping.
Sir.
முடிச்சிருக்கியா?
முடிச்சிட்டுதான் sir.
எனக்கு இது வரைக்கும் ஒரு thumbs up வரல, ஒரு கால் வருது, எதுவுமே கேட்கல. Okay, anyway, now the question is to you. Okay, the line passes through the origin and the slope is minus 3 by 2. What is the equation of your line?
Sir, ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருங்க sir, போட்டு சொல்றேன்.
அப்ப இன்னும் நீ கையில பேனா வச்சுக்கல, இன்னும் நோட் எடுத்துக்கல.
அதெல்லாம் அதுல போட்டுதான் sir இருக்கு.
அப்புறம் என்ன? Which is stopping you? Come on guys, others who is saying before Shweta we can see. So slope of the line is minus 3, 2. Sorry, slope of the line is minus 3 by 2. Slope of the line is minus 3 by 2 and it passes through the origin. I want the equation of line.
2x is equal to minus 3.
2x is equal to minus 3. Is that right guys?
3y.
2x is equal to 3y.
Sir, 2y is equal to minus 3.
2y is equal to minus 3x. I always says, whenever you are going to say equation, the equation should not be like this. Equation should be how? 3x plus 2y equal to 0.
Plus 3x equal to 0.
Yeah, this is how the equation can be. What you told is not an equation. Guys, are you getting? If the point passes through the origin and if you have the slope of it, then no need to worry about the x1, y1 because it's already 0, 0 since it passes through 0, 0 origin. Okay? So next is 2-point form. Next is what? 2-point form. Guys, 2-point form is nothing guys. You know point slope form, no? How to find the slope you know, right? What is the formula of slope if the 2 point is given? What is the formula for slope if 2 points are given? I want answer guys.
y1 by x2 minus
Very good. y2 minus y1 by x2 by...
y1 by
y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is the slope formula if 2 points are given. And I know what is slope point form. What is slope point form? Y minus y1 is equal to, in the place of m, what I am going to do? I am going to just substitute what? Yeah, in the place of m I am going to just substitute this y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Are you getting, guys? Then once again, what is remaining here? X minus x1. Okay, this is 2-point form. 2-point form is nothing but a 1-point form where slope formula of 2-point form will be applied. Okay, anyway, they have taught you this. Now I want answer from Mrityunjayan. Mrityunjayan,
Yes, sir.
if the point passes through 0, 0 and 1, 1, if point passes through 0, 0 and 1, 1, what is the equation of line?
1 minute.
So anybody have finished before that, you can able to say. Advait, are you understanding the question first? You came late, but you can able to understand the question?
No, sir.
ஒண்ணுமே புரியலையாடா?
சரி, இப்பதான் வந்தான். புரியுது.
Nothing, Advait. See what they are saying. No. So I have given the formula for what? If the 2 points are given, and I told points as 0, 0 and 1, 1. So I want to take this as x1 and this as y1 and this as x2 and this as y2. Okay. So wherever x1, x2 is there, just substitute 0 and 1. Advait?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, you just try to do that. So what it became? Y minus y1 is 0 is equal to y2 minus y1. y2 is 1 and this is 0, so 1. This is also 1 because x2 is 1 and this is 0. So 1 by 1 into x minus 1, right? Right? So this will become like y equal to x. So I can write x minus y equal to 0. X minus 0. Oh, here it became 0. Okay, sorry. But anyway, answer is this. Answer is this only, right? Okay? I hope you got it, guys. So next, so you can do this question. So 2, minus 3 and 4, minus 1, I want the equation of a line. Come on, guys, we don't have much time. We want to finish it. It's on the board. So point is on the board, guys. Please write the equation of a line. Let us see who is saying first. I'll buy you 10 rupees chocolate.
And 4x plus 2y plus 4.
What is that?
4x plus 2y plus 4.
4x. 4x
Plus 2y plus
plus
4.
Is that right, guys? Everybody got the same thing? And whenever equation is written and if any common number can be divided, you can divide that. So this equation can be written in more smarter way like 2x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, this looks nice, right? On panta. Guys, I hope are you able to listen now, right? Okay, sorry for this battery issue. Okay. Yeah, Shweta, can you repeat the answer once again?
Sir, 4x plus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0.
So you are saying here minus 2 has to come.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what about others? Ivan, what is the answer? Ivan? minus 2 தானே வருது சுகீந்திரா யாருக்கு +4 வருது இவானுக்கா டேய் ஏடா இது ஒரு சம்மனி இதை என்ன போட வேற வைக்கிறீங்களேடா நீங்க இவானு மிஸ்டர் இவான் இவான் டேய் அப்ப கூட எப்பறா தப்பா சொல்லிட்டு சாக்லேட் கேக்குற எப்பறா என்னடா மனசாச்சு இது okay anyway since you guys struggled I will do this first write the formula what is the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x sorry not m into sorry y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So what happened guys? Y minus y1. So what is y1 here? First this is x1 and this is y1 and this is x2 and this is y2. So since it is minus here it will become plus. So y plus 3 will become what is y2 minus y1? Minus 7 minus 3 will become plus 3. So it will become minus 4 divided by and what is x2 minus x1? 4 minus 2 is what? 2 and this will become x plus 3. Sorry x plus 2. Sorry x minus 2. X minus 2. So now what happens? Y plus 3, I'll cut this and I'll make it a 2 minus 2. So minus 2x plus 4. So I will to make x to be positive I'll take everything else here. So this becomes 2x plus y plus 3 minus 4 equal to 0. I got some different answer than you. Okay, so 2x plus y minus 1. Okay. Then see, always I'm saying no. Always try to produce the equation in the simplest form. Don't make complicate because in answer key what the teacher is going to correct it there is going to be only simplest form. So keep the simplest form there. Okay, I hope this is right. Even if it is minus 2 also okay, that is right. Okay, that is what we saw is now 2-point form. Shall we go to the next form? What is the next form guys? Dey Sugindra வேணாண்டா I'll buy you chocolate, okay, but don't speak anything.
Sir, I only told the correct answer, sir.
Okay, I'll buy chocolate to everybody. Leave me. Okay, let us go to this one. Come on, guys. The notation of now. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, how many people are answering? This is MCQs. I will check how many people are answering the most question. I will give the chocolate. Who is going to answer the most question? They are going to get the chocolate. Nobody else. Okay. Yeah. The notation of the straight line through A and B is. What is the answer?
Option 4.
Okay. Anybody else?
Option 2, sir.
Okay. Anybody else? See, option 2 is wrong answer because if it is there is no arrow mark there, it means it's a start point and end point. Yeah, it's a line segment. Option 4 is right. Okay. So next MCQ. The slope of the line passing through. Slope of the line passing through. Okay. Slope of the line passing through this one. Which is the formula, guys? Come on. Okay. Option 3. Option 3 is the right answer. Very good. So now next one. Which of the following is true? Yeah. The slope of the horizontal line is 0. The two lines are parallel if and only if their slopes are equal. All of the above. All of the above. Are you sure, guys? Yes, sure. Yeah, all of the above is the right answer. Okay, so everything is true. Okay, so next one. Okay, we can go for the problems. Find the slope of the line passing through the point. I want answer from Pratika. I want answer from Pratika, Vidyut, Nitish, the people who not interacted anything to me in this class. Come on. Hey, takkun solluda. Why? Minus? Minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3? Yeah, but I want answer from Pratika. I want answer from Nitish. I want answer from Vidyut. These people not spoken anything to me in the class. Sure. Nitish, have you done that? Yeah, Vidyut. Okay. So let us check. Yeah. Okay. Find the value of x in the slope of the line joining is 2. So they are given slope as 2. You guys have to find what? X. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 equal to 2. Find the value of x, guys. Come on, fast. This I want answer from, once again, Vidyut. Still not spoken to me anything. Shivaranjini, Kailash, Nikas, Mano, Avanish. சிவரஞ்சனி நான் சொல்லவே இல்லையம்மா, நான் சொன்னேனா? சரியாம சொல்லிட்டோமா? நீ வேலையை பாருமா. X is equal to 1. 1 or 1 by 2? Okay. Let us check, guys. So answer is 1 by minus 5. Everybody is wrong. Huh? Okay. X is equal to 1. Okay. X is equal to 1 சொன்னீங்கல்ல? I'll buy you, man. Come here. Find the value of y if the line 3, y and 2, 7 is parallel to the line minus 1, 4 and 0, 6. Guys, they have given parallel. If they say parallel, what I know is their slopes are equal. So the slope of these 2 points and slope of these 2 points are what? Equal. Find the value of y using this. Come on, guys. I want answer from, once again, Vidyut not spoke anything to me. I want Vidyut, Devesh, Varshika, Arvish, silently there, nothing doing. Arvish, is that what? Yeah. Y equal to 9. Let me check. Very good for answer you told for that. Very good. So y is equal to 9. Let me check, guys. So they have given. So parallel, so y equal to 9. Okay. So next is find the slope of the lines parallel and perpendicular to the line joining. Okay. So I want to find the slopes of the line. Okay. Parallel to this line and perpendicular to this line. Are you getting, guys? I want slope of one more line. Oh, they have given 2 points here. Okay. They have given 2 points here. I want to find the slope of this, and I know that any line which is parallel to itself will have the same slope. Correct? So what is the slope of this line first?
Parallel is minus 1 by 5 and perpendicular is 5, sir.
Okay, so you got this one as 5, right?
Yes.
So if this is 5, then any line which is parallel to it also will have
Minus 1 by 5, sir.
minus 1 by 5.
Yes, sir.
So minus 1 by 5, then any line which is parallel to this also will be minus 1 by 5. And if it is perpendicular, then m1 dot m2 will be equal to what? Minus 1. I know m1 is what? Minus 1 by 5. and I want to find m2, which is minus 1. So m2 will become 5. I hope this clear, guys. Right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys, this is once again find the equation of line passing through the point minus 2, 3 and having the inclination of 135. Guys, if it is 135, what I have to do? I want to subtract it from what? Yeah, so what is the answer? If this is 135, then what is going to be? What is tan 135?
Tan 45, sir.
What is pi? 135 can be written as what? 90 plus 45. 90 plus 45. So second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan is what? Negative. But 90 is also there. It will get reciprocal. That is cot. Minus cot 45. What is cot 45? 1. So answer is going to be minus 1. Answer is going to be, slope is going to be what? Minus 1. So slope is what? Minus 1. Okay, you are saying the answer, final answer, right? Is that okay? Okay. Find the equation of line passing through the point 0, 0 and making the angle equal with the coordinate axis. Guys, it makes an equal angle with coordinate axis. That is, for x-axis and y-axis, they are equal. Angle made by a line for x-axis and y-axis are what? Equal. See, this is, if this is 45, then only this also will be 45. So indirectly they gave theta as what? 45. If theta is 45, what is going to be m? 1. Yes, that's it.
X minus y equal to 0.
Yes. So y equal to mx, so y equal to x. Okay. This is second thing. If it can be y plus x plus or minus y actually. See, equal angle nu solromla. It can be either this way or that way. So there it will be angle 135. For 135, the slope is going to be minus 1. So we want to write the equations as x plus or minus y is equal to 0. Okay. The barra. In the red color line irga. In the red color line is having what? 45 degree. Okay. Now I am having a blue color line. Okay. This will make 45 degree to y axis.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we can say the red line or the blue line. The red line equation is going to be x minus y equal to 0. And this blue line equation is going to be x plus y equal to 0. Are you getting? அவங்க x plus or minus y னு போட்டான்ல. We want to take it as 2. See, at last the answer is what? X plus or minus y. X plus y is for this negative direction and x minus y is for this positive direction. Are you getting? Shall I repeat this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, see guys, don't think always the number can become, or even this kind of what? Variables can come. This is 2 point. This is your homework. Please take it. So you know what is the equation of line, that is 2-point form, that is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Okay. So using this formula, please substitute a t1 square comma a t1 2 a t1 and this one, and please send me the answer in the WhatsApp. Okay. வேற என்ன பண்ண முடியும் சுகேந்திரன்? இல்ல அது ஃபார்முலால போடலாம், மிச்சபடி வறுக்கவோ பொரிக்கவோ முடியாது. வேற என்ன பண்றது? ஃபார்முலா தான் போட்டாகணும். Okay guys, bye bye. Please copy down the question. We can meet in next class. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye bye.